Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Andres Alvarez, and the sounds I choose to work on was the Z and the F sounds. These sounds, the manner of articulation is the same. It is the fricative. It means that two vocal organs are very close to produce a sound, and the manner of articulation is different for each sound. For the Z sound, the place of articulation is alveolar, and it means that the blade of the tongue is very close to the alveolar to produce the Z sound. For the Z, the th sound, the place of articulation is dental, and it means that the vocal organs are very close to produce the sound. Are the teeth and the tongue to produce the V sound. The strategies I used to work on these sounds was at first try to identify these sounds in a normal audio or conversation, and then I looked some words with these sounds and tried to spell it with a phonemic transcription to try identify and produce these sounds, and then I looked a tongue twister that I could work on these sounds. So my tongue twister is the next one. This is a zither. Is this a zither? Zizi, zippy, zipper, zips. Zither, slither, slowly south. As you can see in this tongue twister, you can find both sounds in different or in the same word, and that is very challenging for me because it was the sounds I think they are harder for me, and with this activity I be able to improve and my pronunciation and English skills. Thank you, teacher.